English alphabet. Episode 1. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.